This video will show you how to share your assets from PebblePad with other users. There are two main ways of sharing your assets. First is from the asset store by selecting your asset and then clicking Share. The second is from inside the asset using the drop-down menu at the top left and clicking Share. Both will open up the sharing window. From in here, you first need to select who you are going to share your asset with. Click the To or the blind carbon copy button, and then from your contact manager select the person that you'd like to share your asset with. If you have not shared an asset with this person before, you'll need to set them up as a new contact. Select the New button in the bottom left hand corner, then search for them if they are a Kiel member of staff or student. Double click to add them to your contact manager. You can then drag and drop them into the To or double click them. If they are not a Kiel member of staff or student, you can add them by clicking New, and then instead of under New Contact, you're going to look under New External. Enter their full name, their email address, and their email address again, and then click Add. They will be added as any other member of staff to your contact list, and they will be sent an email containing information on how to access PebblePad and that you have shared your asset with them. They are also automatically added to the To list in your sharing window. Once you have selected everybody that you wish to share your asset with, you need to set the permissions. First are the general permissions. When sharing, it is always advisable to turn on comment. This allows the persons you are sharing your asset with to comment on it and provide you with feedback. The only time you may not wish to do this is if you are sharing your CV with somebody. If you are working as part of a group, you may wish to give your recipients the ability to copy your asset and make it their own. Or you may wish to collaborate with them. You can set how long they have access to your asset for, or you can give them ongoing access. The only time you can't set these dates is if you select Collaborate. This is because once you collaborate with somebody, they have equal rights to use and retain that asset. Provide a message to your recipient as to which asset you have shared with them. If your asset has links to other assets, you need to set what permissions are available, whether or not they can view the linked assets, copy the linked assets, and or collaborate on the linked assets. There is also the view to allow them to see feedback, grades, and approvals on your assets. Once you are happy with all your settings, click the Share button. Your asset has now been shared. You can see that your asset has been shared from your asset store, as it now has a green indicator under this column here. You will get a green indicator under this column here when anybody has commented on your asset.